Hello everyone, welcome to H Engineering. Today's video is for those people who wants to reduce the room temperature to avoid maximum usage of air condition, as staying of maximum time in air condition is not good for health also. Without getting any further delay, let's start our video. First, we can talk about cross ventilation. As you can see in the drawing, if we keep two windows in a room by opposite direction, then fresh air will cross from one window to another window, which makes entry of fresh air inside the room. But if we keep single window in a room, then fresh air will never pass through the room compared to dual windows in opposite direction. Now we can talk about advantages of cross ventilation. It removes stale air from the room and replaces it with fresh air. It helps to moderate internal room temperature and improves air quality. And next point is it reduces accumulation of moisture, odor, bacteria and gases from the room, which gives bad health effect. And it also reduces the electricity bill by using less fan and air conditions. Now we can discuss about disadvantages. Natural ventilation is depend upon exterior weather. That is, if you have hot weather outside the room, then crossing ventilated air also will be warm. And also it affects interior design by providing additional windows opening or exhaust fan, etc. Now we can see a case study. See, this is my room, which is located at first floor or the top floor of my house. Due to direct sunlight over my roof, I used to face lot of difficulties during summer season, as the room will become very hot. Being a civil engineer, I believe to be in natural air for healthy reason than being in air condition. So to reduce the usage of air condition this summer season, I used to provide a hut. I thought to provide a hut over the roof to reduce the room temperature. But to my bad luck, this year there is very shortage in getting coconut leaves due to some diseases in leaf these years. So I had fixed an exhaust fan in window grill, but after that we unable to close window while using air condition. So I had to remove that exhaust fan and provided automatic flip type exhaust fan at the opposite side of the window by breaking the wall. But to my surprise, cross ventilation found to be very good. Earlier my room will be hot and was filling with humidity, but after providing a flip type exhaust fan at opposite direction, we used to get fresh air from window. And you can see in this window, exhaust fan is just pulling the fresh air from the window and throws out bad air from the room. And whenever we need to use air condition, we just switch off our exhaust fan, that flips off, closes automatically. As I said you earlier, that being a civil engineer, I believe to be in natural air for healthy reason than being in air condition. By this work, I am very much satisfied. If you want to purchase a flip type exhaust fan, you can purchase it from the link below, as a bigger size PVC fan was not available in my local market. Sorry for the background sound. If you feel this video is informative, please share it with your friends and family members. And if you want a plan for your dream house with proper ventilation, then you can call us. We are expert in making residential plan, elevation and 3D interior visualization. Thank you for watching this video. And if you want me to discuss any topic that is architectural and construction related issue, then please mention it in comment box below. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz.